a skid steer, so I was like, why not use it, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and use this bad boy here. First time I actually use it on some. So bear with me here. It's a learning curve here, guys. Okay. So it looks like it goes in. Alright, here we go. Go down low here, scoop it up. Oh yeah, look at that. See this bad boy in action? I bought this last year before the tariffs went up, guys, so probably saved me about, was it 30% that Trump raised up the tariff? So I got a pretty good deal. It was imported. You can check my other videos on it. It's a little bit tricky to drive, but it's pretty stable. Let's go in here. Go down. Bring it up. Alright, here we go. Oh yeah. Look at that. Mop up dirt. You just gotta be careful, you might mess up. The reason I don't like using this is because you might mess up your dirt, the lawn here. Out here. Okay, I gotta move that. Move this over here more. Just gonna dump it in there. All right, here we go. Going in. A lot of people say this is not stable, but it's not bad, guys. Once you learn how to drive, I wish I could see a little bit more. It's kind of concealed right here. There we go. Okay. I believe this bucket's 42 inches or something like that. Okay, now I'm gonna dump it in the Gorilla cart here. Feel the weight. Alright, bring it up here. little bit. There. Less require less work, but you are messing up your lawn, so that's something you gotta think about. It looks like I need 2 scoops. I need to turn up the torque here, throttle a little bit. Alright, here we go. Go up, you gotta see if you can fit 2 buckets of this. And go up a little bit. Yeah, nice. This thing's sweet. Nice. All right, let's go for. But dirt here. You gotta go down. Keep driving this thing is you gotta go down low. You gotta come up while you're doing it. So you go in, and you got to pull it up at the same time so you can get a lot here. There. You can see the yard's kind of. So I'm probably just gonna use this a little bit here. Put this bad boy away because it's destroying my lawn. So I decided to go with this brand. All this weight. You want to have all this weight. Okay, watch out for the nails. Welcome to the unboxing of the skid steer here. Infront brand YF380 here. Raise the bucket up. Okay, I'm going to show you how to unload a mini skid steer here. I just recently got this here, so this is the first time it's actually gonna come off the trailer here. Raise the bucket up. Hey guys, okay, so I got it unboxed here. Now it's sitting in the garage here. I'm gonna go over a couple of specs here.